Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best onboard air system you can get for your truck or van, the maXpeedingrods onboard air compressor system. This product isn't just another air spring compressor kit, it's designed to deliver serious performance, ease of use, and long-term reliability for your vehicle's air suspension needs. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're towing a heavy load or carrying extra gear and your truck starts to sag. You need lift, you need balance, and you don't want to crawl under your vehicle every time to manually adjust the air springs. That's exactly where the maXpeedingrods onboard air compressor system comes in. This kit offers a single-path inflation setup, which means it distributes air pressure equally to both air springs, providing a balanced lift and a smoother ride. No more guessing or fiddling with uneven levels, just reliable, consistent support on demand. Under the hood of this system is a powerful onboard compressor capable of delivering up to 120 psi of air pressure. Whether you're pumping up the air springs before a drive or making adjustments on the go, this system gets the job done in just a minute or two. But here's what makes it even better: it operates without an air tank. That means fewer parts to worry about, quicker installations, and simpler maintenance. The compressor is wired to a manual control system with an analog gauge, a clean and simple way to monitor and control your air suspension. With the press of a button right from inside your cab, you can inflate both air springs simultaneously. You don't need to leave your seat. You don't need any tools. This system is about convenience and speed, giving you full control without the hassle. Now, let's talk about compatibility. This kit is designed as a universal solution for trucks and vans, so if you're driving a work truck, a camper van, or even a lifted off-roader, this system is ready to help you handle different load conditions. It's especially useful when your ride height needs to change frequently, like when hauling heavy trailers or navigating uneven terrain. As for reliability, maXpeedingrods has built this kit to last. It's electric, portable, and features single-stage compression technology that balances performance with durability. The system doesn't include a low-pressure sensor, but for users looking for a straightforward manual setup with reliable output, it hits the mark. Everything you need comes in the box, including all fittings and clear instructions, so installation is smooth even if you're not a pro mechanic. Weighing about 2,650 grams, the unit is compact enough to fit in tight spaces under your vehicle, and rugged enough to withstand the bumps and vibrations that come with off-road or heavy-duty use. To sum it up, the maXpeedingrods onboard air compressor system is one of the most affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use air suspension kits available right now. It's perfect for truck owners who want real control over their air ride system without spending a fortune or dealing with complex setups. If you're someone who hauls heavy loads, tows trailers, or just wants a smoother, more adaptable ride, this could be the upgrade that makes your life easier, and your truck ride better. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this system seems like the right fit for your setup, check it out, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into top-rated automotive gear. See you next time.